Okay, the car is on. The screen isn't turning on. To reset. So you'll turn on and then just turns off. None of the buttons are working. Okay, now what you're gonna do is you're gonna turn this engine off, and you're gonna come back. Now what you're gonna do is there's 4 bolts. There's one up there, one there. It's gonna be one in the front right down there, and then the other one is right there. They're pretty easy to get to, all 10 millimeter bolts. What you're gonna do is access this thing. You're gonna pull it out like this, easy. So what I mean by you're gonna go through the different modules is you're gonna see a bunch of different hookups. There's one here, there's another one here, there's another one here, and there's another one back in here, which is pretty hard to get to. You can take all these off, or you can leave them on. Mine was a Sirius XM radio, so what I'm going to show you is watch what I do. This is the optical cable that goes in there. What you're going to do is take this that you got. Let me try to do this one hand, sorry. And you're going to connect these two. Just like that. Now watch this. Now you're gonna try the different ones. I'm just gonna show you which one was mine was, so that's gonna be a quick fix. I went through the Bose amp, and I went through I believe a different module, the CD player or something, navigation. Anyways, I came to this one, and when I changed this one, now watch this. By doing this, now watch. Come back in the car. Start it back up. Screen's working. All the buttons are working. Don't mind my case, I have a screen that goes right here. But so you're gonna just do that. So that was my case. So this is the cable that you buy. You leave it here. Now, since mine was the Sirius XM, I don't need this. I don't use the Sirius XM, so I just deleted it out. All I did was just put this in here, and I just put everything back in. And now if it's something else, like if it's your Bose amp or your navigation, you probably want to get that fixed to do it. But I'm going to most likely say that it's going to be your Sirius XM radio. This is a known issue on these Audis. So just try to find this whole unit if yours is a different year, and look for the optical cables. You're going to disconnect it, connect this loop in there, and it basically lets the system go and finish the connection. If there's one bad unit, all the units will go bad. Basically meaning that once it goes in here, and it's not reading a signal, it won't come back out of here to go complete the circuit. So it gets stuck here, then the system thinks that there's something happening, it won't turn off. Now what the issue is when the car is off, it still tries to complete that circuit. And that's why you get a battery draw, and you'll eventually get a dead battery left if you don't drive it in a couple days or so. That's a very, very known issue. But also you want to make sure that this cable's in right and everything, and then it should be all good. Hope this video helped you out.